Oh my gosh!
This Zootopia trophy is so beautiful. Let's take it.
Stop it right now!
Come on!
Change outfits and find the trophy.
Let's go, go, go!
Roomy.
Aha!
Yeah!
Judy hops.
I love your hair. A bunny can call another bunny cute.
If you could look into my eyes, you'd see what I
Oops! Hurry up, let's go! Are you ready? Oh, yeah. Ta-da!
Oh no!
Be right there.
Oh, look.
Okay, here we go.
Hello there!
Excellent. Welcome, everyone.
Fantastic! I love it! Nice! Alright.
Oh, look. Oh, yeah.
Wow! Let's go!
That's so yummy.
Nick Wilde.
And I also know that somewhere... Could you show me that clip again? Wasn't wearing my glasses.
Amazing. Amazing! Great job!
Hey!
Relax.
Let me see. Aha!
Come on!
Let's go.
Nope.
Okay, here we go.
I love it!
Wow!
Oh, yeah.
Okay, gotcha. Yeah, that's it.
Gary D. Snake.
We'll finally be able to come home.
I push you out, but you come back. That attraction, we can't fight that. Oh,
Keep telling myself that I should let go, but I hold on.
Oh my! Wow, I'm impressed.
Keep telling myself that
Come
I
on
should
in.
move on, but I don't. 'Cause we got that mad love. We got that sad love. We got that fun.
Oh, yeah.
I can't believe that you came into my life.
I love
You
it.
made me feel
Nice.
now it's my turn. You say you've always been a little bit shy, but I can put it
Let's go.
into your fears. Let me show you. Hello there.
Congratulations! You did great job.
Goodbye, everyone. See you next